Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to add reviews to your dropshipping store. I will use this store to show you how to do that, and if you want to learn how I did this store step by step, you can check the link to its tutorial in the description box. So, let's get started. To add reviews you need to install an app called Judge.me. So go to apps and search for Judge.me. Here install these two apps. First you will need to install Judge.me product reviews. This app will install widgets that will be used to show reviews in our store. So, let's install it. Follow these steps to install the app and embed the widgets in the theme customizer. Once the installation is complete, you will be able to see the reviews widget at the bottom of the home page. Now let's install the other app for importing reviews from Aliexpress. I will type Aliexpress in the search bar and hit enter. Here install this app. After the installation is complete, click on Import Reviews from Aliexpress. Here add link of the product from Aliexpress from which you want to import reviews. Here choose the product to which you want to add reviews that will be imported from Aliexpress. You can also select how many reviews you want to import. Once everything is done, click on Import. Once the import is complete, we will need to add reviews widget to our store. So, let's do it. For this, go to Theme Customizer and add a new section. Here click on Apps and select Reviews Carousel. Once the section is added, you will be able to see the reviews you imported from Aliexpress. Click on Save and let's check the preview of our homepage. You can see the reviews we imported looks good. It can take a few minutes to fix these mistakes, like it's saying, from 0 reviews, so don't worry about them. Now, let's add star ratings on our product page under the product title. For this, go to Product Default page from here. Here you can see the app already added star rating block on product page. I will bring it under the product title so it's visible to customers. Once you are done, click on Save and let's see the preview of the product page. You can see the reviews look really good and real. So this is how you can add reviews to your Shopify dropshipping store from Aliexpress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.